overalls it is.
Hello everybody, and guess what? It's welcome back to the garage as usual. Kieran's here as usual. Can't seem to get rid of the old lad. Tends to
Nuisance.
turn up when he wants to do some welding, so
Yeah,
which is
my
quite
preference.
often. Anyway, just a quick video today, continuing on the CG125 adventure project, the £500 budget adventure project. I'm going to have a look at luggage. I've got some stuff
It's over
already.
there.
It's over there. We've already put it on the bike, but we're going to talk you guys through the luggage options for this adventure bike. So I'll flip this camera around and we'll have a look. There we are then, dear viewer. The CG125 is looking a bit different from the last time you saw it. You can see it's got some luggage on. Let's go and have a look at what we've got. Obviously you can see the very first thing here is a fairly large tank bag. Now you might recognise this if you watched our UK and Ireland tour, because it came on tour with us. This did 2 weeks up and down the UK and in Ireland, and it was absolutely fine. So I am reusing that.
Just the bag though, not the bike.
Yes, the bike didn't come with us, but the bag did. So I have put £5 on the budget for this bag because that's what it cost me originally. It was second hand off eBay. It was a bit of a bargain. So yeah, £5 there. Adventure style sheepskin rug. I'm not putting on the budget because you can go touring without that. I've just put it on because I had it. And well, why not?
Luxury.
Next up then, I've got a little Lomo dry bag here. This one is also not on the budget. Now you might think I'm cheating at this point, but I kind of am, and I'm kind of not. If you don't have a Lomo dry bag, which I had already, you could just use a rucksack. We did go touring on the 125s when we first passed our CBTs,
Yep.
and we used rucksacks, and that worked.
A fairly rugged bin liner.
Yes, rucksack with a bin liner. Worked a treat, so if you don't have a Lomo dry bag, you can use that. Anyway, moving on, I've got some of these little pannier bags, and these were from the Army Surplus store. They were £5 each, so there's £10 on the
Little
budget.
bargain.
Yeah, they're just strapped on. It's all under there, but the original straps that came with them I've just reused and strapped that across. There is a bungee on either one. It just sort of goes off and helps to secure it, stop it rattling around a little bit. So yeah, pair of those, £10. And then on the back here, obviously you can see the tool roll, which was made in an earlier video.
And finally, John, I'm noticing a bit of colour.
Yes, I thought I'd put that on the back so as to be maximum visible. Another little Lomo dry bag. This was £7 off eBay. Another little bargain, so that's gone on the budget. And that more or less concludes the luggage element of it. Obviously I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to be carrying yet, so this might change at short notice nearer the time.
It's all just full of dolls at the moment, isn't it?
Dolls?
Just a random item that you might have.
Yeah. So, full of dolls at the moment, but we'll see when we get to actually packing which of this setup we actually need. We might actually not need all of this, but we'll see.
But it shows that you can have all of this.
Obviously not forgetting the essential mascot. This is, what should we call him? Squirrel Nutkins. Squirrel
Yeah.
Bobkins, Bob Squirrelkins. Anyway,
Mr. Nuts.
this is my adventure mascot up on the wing mirror. And there's Kieran. Peg standing on the bike for scale and for maximum adventure emphasis.
That's some luxury right there, John.
Yeah, how are you finding that sheepskin rug?
Under butt, some luxury loveliness.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, so what's left to do on the CG125? I refuse to spend any more money on this. There are a few things that I would like in an ideal world, but at this point I am not going to spend the money. So the only thing to do is MOT the bike and go on some adventures. So it is, what's the date today? January something?
24th?
Possibly
ish.
24th, who knows? We don't really work by the normal calendar. So it's sort of the end of January. It's a strange time to be MOTing a bike and going on adventures. So I might wait a little while. But the first adventure, proper adventure for this bike is planned. Kieran, would you like to explain where we're going?
A good old pootle over to Wales.
We're going
in
to
my mind.
Wales. So we're going for a week.
More east.
More east, west. West. Wales is west of here.
So I'm looking up the country.
Okay, Kieran's going east, I'm going west to Wales, and we're going to spend a week pottering around. We're going to do the north coast, we're going to go around Anglesey, we're going to go all down the west coast and into the Ellen Valley, and then down south and explore down there, and then come back up the border. So we are basically doing a full lap of Wales in a week on the 125. So I'll be going on this bike, Kieran will be going on his adventure ready Yamaha YBR
125,
and that will be in May. That will be in May. So there will be a few test runs of this before then, and we will obviously film that and you will see those. But the first proper adventure, if you like, is Wales in May. Looking forward to it?
I guess.
Yeah, well I am. I'm really looking forward to it.
Castles galore.
Castles galore. We do like a good castle. Okay, so that's luggage for the CG125. Ready to go.